So my name is Ellery Coleman, and this is my wife, Talita.
Hi.
And we've been working with Ron and Esti, man, I want to say for about a year.
Yeah.
So we encountered them for the first time when we were looking at a house in West Hills. That one didn't work out, but that's where we initially met them. And they were very helpful, educating us about, more about the home buying process. So we decided next time we see something that we like, we'll call them. And so we called them a couple times over the years. And one thing that we really appreciated is that they were very quick to respond. Two is better than one.
Yeah.
And so we had dealt before with one agent and they get bogged down quickly, but with, twice the availability, it was a great experience. So almost every time we called them, we were there looking at the house the next day. They were quick and forthcoming with all the details that we needed. And so finally we found this house that we're at now, and same thing. We probably sent them an email on a Monday night. We were standing here Tuesday morning and had an offer in.
We had an offer in.
Had an offer in already. So tell them the rest, babe.
And Wednesday morning we were all packed. Yeah, they really made sure that the process was as smooth as possible, and we are very glad to have crossed the finish line today, and we have a house. We love the layout of this house. It's just exactly what we're looking for. We don't like pools. This house doesn't have a pool, which is a big plus for us. It has a big backyard, which is something that we needed with the little one. And we love this neighborhood. So
yeah,
that's why
we've
we bought
even
this
walked
house.
this neighborhood like tens of times before we even bought the house. So we were
Yeah.
very familiar with everything about it and just love it. Definitely, I would recommend Ron and Esti. I think you'll find quickly the advantage of having two agents instead of one, two perspectives instead of one, and that you'll find them very helpful, not only for the home buying process, but they're familiar with the finances and repairs and everything. So you really get a good deal when you're working with Ron and Esti. So in getting this house, it was key that we got in here like early first, and that's why it was important that Ron and Esti responded like right away. We called them at night. We were sitting here in the morning and put in the offer the same day. And not only that, but they talked to the seller's agent and discovered that there's going to be an open house coming, and that, who knows, hundreds of people coming through here to make an offer. So they helped us to put together an offer that was so good that the seller said, okay, there'll only be one counter offer, that's to you. And so, we didn't have to fight with everyone else in the marketplace, which is very difficult in this time when inventory is so low. So that was very helpful for us. What else was there? Oh yeah, and there were higher offers actually, and again, the way that ours was structured, thanks to their knowledge about the real estate market, it was structured so well that they didn't even consider even offers that were higher money, because the way that ours presented, and that was due to their experience. So yeah, we're really grateful for that help.
Yeah, thank you guys.